All right, handy dandy box cutter. Let's do this thing. So me and the wife were walking around Menards, and she found me this. The Centurion greenhouse for 20 bucks. And we paid 20 bucks for it. So I'm going to build it, put it together. We're going to give it a little first time look-see poo and see what we think about it. All the plastic seems pretty heavy, so that's cool. Oh yeah, we don't need no instructions. All right, maybe we need instructions. All right, so the grates are pretty lightweight, not gonna lie. You're going for something big plants-wise. I don't know about it. Assemble bottom tier of greenhouse by firmly pushing the shelf supports C into the side of the plastic connectors A. So A. Wait, what? Release. A. Vertical uprights 16. Shelf supports 12. Right, these shelf supports. So this could be a long, tedious, boring process. Lucky for you, I've got fast forward features. Oh, it's not level, guys. Oh, no. Oh. Well, that's fun. Let's see here. It's a boom, boom, boom. And a boom, boom, boom. Well, these don't have holes in them. What? Remove and identify all greenhouse parts, blah, blah, blah. Assemble bottom tier of the greenhouse by front, blah, blah, blah. Simply repeat subjects and form tiers, insert plastic connectors. Yeah, but what holds my freaking fence together? Oh, I'm being an idiot. Okay. Never mind. I guess I should learn to read. Alright, let's do this a little bit differently. Did I just do this entire thing backwards? Yeah. No, somebody's just a jerk and didn't send me enough parts. Alright, Centurion parts. Fail part 1. Nice. Remove and identify. Assemble bottom tier of the greenhouse by firmly pushing the shelf supports into the sides. Plastic connected in front of the push the vertical uprights on top of the plastic. Repeat step 2, the second, third, and fourth tiers. So, please stop being grabby. Alright? Stop it. Oh, we're missing. Idiot. Alright, cool. Let's go. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. Shelf support. There's supposed to be 12 of them. So why am I got the extra middle ones? Let's see, that just doesn't make sense because it shows it's got 3 bars. They'll sit right on top. Yeah, okay. Eat. Yeet. Did I not get enough freaking racks either? Like, I know I can read 1, 2, 3, 4. Well, maybe I'm jumping the gun a little bit. Still not going to be putting those. So that should be very top, which should be the gun. So yeah, this is the one I actually want to stick things in. I want my weight at the top. That don't make no sense. $12. 16 vertical uprights. I don't even know if I want to finish this freaking build, honestly. Yeah, so that's right. I'll have to set this sucker up on something. That's all there is to it. So that's just not going to tickle my fancy. That's alright. We'll check it out. I'm about to have a moment again. So besides being like unbearably short, it's not too bad. I think I can make that work for me even too. That's not going to be able to be used as a grow space. If I do some minor adjustments here, I mean, it's not too bad. It'll work for outside. They have enough space to see how large this sucker is. So I'm 6 foot even. This is supposed to be 63 inches tall. I don't believe you. We're even gonna go. Well, I'll be dang. Oh, nope, it's a little shorter. Not by much though. Like 1/4 inch maybe. That's still not bad. Alright. So the measurements line up, so that's always a plus. Let's see here. So I'm probably gonna have to go back through and add these to the bottom, which that's okay. This plastic though, I'm kind of excited about it myself. Oh, it even ties on there. That's cool. Ow! It bit me, Charlie. I mean, that's not terrible, I guess. Oh, Ratatouille, are you sleeping? It's raining. It's raining. Tie that little sucker off. I mean, the plastic is super heavy. I like that in general. The build's kind of nice. I wish I could put the top rack up here instead of on the bottom because I don't want to bend over. Overall, I'd say probably a C. If you're looking for a greenhouse, kind of small, wanting to get started, cheap, I mean, this is the way to go. The Centurion 4-shelf greenhouse for $20. Picked it up at Menards. Not completely, utterly disappointed about what I expected. So if you're wanting a starter greenhouse, this is the one to get.